Hi guys, so I am once again in a new filming location. I am trying to figure this out. I will explain it in this video. I had a very nice setup when I started filming this video, but then it just suddenly got very dark and now I am just sitting here. Anyway, so this video is a makeup tutorial, but I am basically just chatting about me and about life. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this very colorful, dramatic makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I just have a bunch of makeup in front of me and I have no idea what I am going to do. I kind of just want to put on my foundation and concealer, my eyebrows, and then when I am doing my eyeshadow I can start talking. So I am going to put on my Super Stay foundation by Maybelline and my Tarte concealer. I love this concealer. Oh, that's a bit too much. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, I have put on foundation, contour and stuff. I use the Hoola light. Okay, so eyebrows are done. I really love this green color, and if you haven't noticed, I love green at the moment. I really want to incorporate this color and this color, like green, yellow. I don't know, I'm feeling green. I'm feeling very green. This could be a disaster. This could also look very cool. Okay, I'm going to zoom you guys in. Oh, you can see how bumpy my skin is in this lighting. That's great. I am going to use this purple shade from the Juvia's Place palette. So, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I got a message on Instagram the other day. I know that I shouldn't let anonymous mean messages get to me, but this one really got to me. This is so hard because I have a very tough time opening up on camera. I used to make very personal-ish videos. A long time ago I talked about bullying and weight loss and my personal life. If you hadn't noticed, I don't really do that anymore. It's like the more subscribers that I have, the more afraid I am of not being myself, but opening up and talk about my personal life. My channel really blew up this summer. I started making videos about Iceland and I got so many new subscribers, and then I hit 100,000 subscribers, and now it's 4 months later and I have 170,000 subscribers. So that's like 70,000 new people in 4 months. That's a very fast increasing subscriber count, and it's intimidating to have 170,000 people watching you and judging you and have opinions about you. It's scary because it's not only my subscribers that are watching my videos, it's also people who don't know me, people who don't know my values, my family life, my everything. Okay, so I was talking about the message that I got that inspired this video. I got so off track, I'm so sorry. So the message that I got, I actually deleted the message. I didn't answer it, I didn't screenshot it, I just read it. I deleted it and I tried to move on, but I could not. I don't remember exactly what it said, but the person was like, you don't care about your subscribers, you are neglecting your channel. I got that message when I hadn't uploaded in 2 weeks, and the reason for that is I had exams and I couldn't make a YouTube video because I was studying. I really wanted to say to that person that I'm a full-time university student, I have a job, I do YouTube, I train CrossFit every single day, and I honestly don't have enough time to make a video every week. I feel like most of you guys have no clue what my days look like. I really want to fix that, and I really want to start vlogging, and I know a lot of people want me to vlog, but again, scary. There's just so much that you guys don't know. For an example, I am again at a different filming location, and that is because I moved in with my boyfriend a few months ago and you guys have no idea. And I posted a picture with my boyfriend on Instagram, and there was this comment that said, "Oh my god, you have a boyfriend and you didn't tell us about it." And I answered and I said that I have a private life and I'm not obligated to tell you guys everything about my life, even though I make YouTube videos. In a way, I was also like, oh yeah, you guys don't know my private life, so how can I expect you guys to know about my private life? I feel like I'm talking in circles. So just to clear some things up, I'm very happy and content, and I don't feel like I have to talk about my relationship on YouTube, and I really hope that you guys can respect that. It's been very strange for me to keep driving back to my parents' house to film videos. The sun has gone down. It's getting very dark. I want to talk about another thing that I saw on, you guessed it, Instagram. Sometimes I'm reading my DMs on Instagram and I get so many cute and amazing DMs, and I'm just so happy, and I'm trying to help out people who are traveling to Iceland or just want to talk to me. And then I see a mean freaking DM and I get upset and I close Instagram and I don't look at my DMs for weeks. If you have sent me something on Instagram that I have not answered, that is the reason. I have a small, fragile little heart. I can tell you guys that. Someone commented, and this was not the first time that I have seen this. Someone commented on my photo and told me that I looked too perfect and I looked fake. I looked like a doll. I answered him and I said that I was very sorry that my makeup skills offended him. I'm not gonna lie, I am very good at doing makeup. Anyway, so I just told the guy, like, I'm sorry, I'm very good at doing my makeup. That's why I look so perfect. I get so many cute messages from girls saying that they love my makeup, they love my eyeliner, they're so impressed, and I'm just like, oh, thank you, I love you. And then I get messages from guys being like, you wear way too much makeup. Nah. There are always going to be guys that say I wear too much makeup, and then when I'm not wearing any makeup they will call me ugly. When I am wearing minimal makeup they are saying, oh, you look so pretty when you're wearing no makeup. And I'm like, I was wearing foundation and mascara and eyebrows and everything. I love makeup. I'm very passionate about makeup, obviously, and if I want to wear makeup in my videos, if I want to sit down, listen to some music, relax and do my makeup before I film, then I can if I want to. I'm not trying to hide anything. I'm not insecure about the way I look without makeup. I am perfectly happy with myself. I just hate having this conversation over and over again with guys on the internet who obviously don't know anything about makeup or what it is to have such a huge passion for makeup. So I'm just gonna ignore it. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this eye and I will be right back. Now I am going to set my crease with a white shade, so the color that I'm going to put on top will pop more. And I think that I am going to put yellow and yellow and green. Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited to see how this will turn out. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god, yes. It's so pigmented. I hate complaining on camera, but there are just things that I don't want to talk about on Instagram. I would love to show you guys more about my like day-to-day life. I have been contemplating about doing a video where I just show you a week in my life, basically so you guys can see how much effort and time goes into making one YouTube video and how hard it is. And I just want to show you guys that I am really trying, and I wish that I had more time for YouTube, but right now I don't, because I am a university student. I get my bachelor's degree in a few months. With that, I also have a job and I work 3 times per week, and that's a lot. So when I finish school, I have to go to work and I'm not home until 5 or 6 p.m. and then I have to study and eat and do stuff before I go to sleep, you know. My days are very like packed and I have to use my free time to do YouTube, because right now it's school, work, CrossFit, YouTube, and I really want to change that because I want to put so much more effort into my YouTube videos, but right now I really can't. I just wish that you guys could see how much I am trying, and I'm trying my best, and I really love my YouTube channel. I love reading through messages and helping you guys. I love teaching you about Icelandic culture and doing something that no one else is doing. Like, there isn't really an Icelandic YouTuber who is talking about Icelandic culture and trying to educate, well, at least no one that I know. But yeah, and I really want to do a better job. So I'm just packing on the green shade and I have to blend the green and the yellow together, and when I'm done with that I will check up on you guys, so be right back. Okay, so I have a problem. I finished my makeup look. I just put on eyeliner and fake lashes, and it is completely dark outside. So this was my makeup setup, and this is how dark it is outside right now, so that's great. Yeah, it's not even 6 p.m. so this has happened to me so many times. Like, I'm filming a video, everything is fine, but then it suddenly gets so dark and I can't see anything, the camera can't pick up anything, and I end up editing the video and then deleting it. I have like 3 or 4 deleted makeup tutorials because I don't know, the sun always just goes down and I really need to buy some studio lights. If you guys actually watch all this video, thank you for listening to me ramble on, and yeah, thank you for watching, subscribe and like and all of that, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.